Why you always feel tired. 5 hidden causes. 1. Dehydration. Feeling sluggish? You might just need water. Dehydration slows your energy levels, so keep that water bottle handy all day. 2. Poor sleep quality. It's not just about hours, it's about deep sleep. Skip late-night screens and create a cozy bedtime routine to feel fully recharged. 3. Lack of movement. Sitting too much? Your body craves activity. Even a quick walk or stretch can pump up your energy. 4. Stress overload. Stress drains your battery fast. Take 5 minutes to meditate, breathe, or just unplug. It makes a huge difference. 5. Nutrient deficiency. Low iron or B12 levels could be zapping your energy. Load up on leafy greens, beans, and lean proteins. Fix these hidden culprits and say goodbye to constant fatigue.
Thanks for
Shock.
tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips.